Hey, welcome to another episode of Ask Samir. Today's question comes in from Versha, and Versha wants to know, Hi Samir, I am on an F1 visa. For those of you that don't know, an F1 visa is a student visa, and I will be graduating soon. Can I start my own company and get a visa through that? If not, what are my other options? Thank you for your question, Versha, and I will answer that right after this. Hi, I'm Samir Kumar, and I'm an immigration lawyer. During these videos, I answer the questions you ask, and I answer the questions you should ask. Now, before we get started, here's something important you need to know. The information in these videos is not legal advice. Also, watching these videos does not make me your lawyer, and it does not make you my client. I recommend that you speak to a licensed immigration attorney about your case before doing anything. If you want to speak to me, no problem. I'll tell you how to do that in just a few minutes. All right, let's get started. Hey, welcome back to Ask Samir. Today's question came in from Versha, and Versha was asking, can she start her own company and file a visa for herself through that? Right now, she's on an F1 visa, a student visa, and will be graduating soon. If she can't, she wants to know what her other options are. Versha, thank you for your question. And so there's two ways to look at this. Number one is, first of all, I would need some more detail, but let me kind of give you the two routes that you can take if you're looking to get your own visa through your own company. This is a country of entrepreneurship. So the first thing I'm going to say is that you really can start your own business. Starting your own business is not the obstacle. The obstacle comes in if you think you're going to start your own business and you're going to hire yourself and you're going to give yourself a visa. Because the government will say, let's see here. She just started her own company. It's brand new. It doesn't have any revenues. It doesn't have any employees. And she's hiring herself on a visa. Seems like she just started the company to get herself a visa. So the government is probably going to look at that and say, there's no way in the world we're going to give you that visa. Actually, I can say with a high level of certainty that they're not going to give you a visa based on that situation. However, there are other options, and these are more intricate, so I would definitely recommend that you speak to an attorney about them. But there is an option for an investor visa where you make a significant investment in the U.S. economy, you start a business, you hire U.S. employees, etc. It's something I've really kind of downplayed that. It's a much more intricate process, but if you have a significant amount of money to invest, which I would say would be kind of in the $500,000 or $1 million mark, and your attorney can explain to you what the difference is between those two, you can possibly consider an investor visa. The other option may be if you had been working for a company overseas in the past 3 years in a managerial or executive position, you might have the option of an L1 visa. I won't go into that in too much detail because that goes kind of beyond the scope, but your question kind of falls into the, well, what if category. I need to explore my options. If you want to do that, I would just say get on the phone with an immigration attorney and say, hey, listen, you know what, this is my situation. What are all my options, whether work related, whether family related, etc., and tell me what are my best options to stay here in the United States and maybe even work in the United States. So thank you very much for your question, Versha. Thank you for checking out this episode of Ask Samir. All right, here's what you should do now. Speak to a licensed immigration lawyer about your case. If you'd like to speak with me, head over to kumarlaw.com and click on the button that says Talk to Samir. You and I will hop on the phone and you can ask me anything you want. No question is off limits. Thanks for checking out this episode of Ask Samir. For more videos or to ask me a question, head over to kumarlaw.com.